Today we're going to be replacing a laptop screen on a Dell Inspirion 1420. The first thing we're going to do is flip it over and remove the battery. Flip it back over again. There is 6 rubber tabs that we're going to remove. Behind these are some screws that we'll take out. Next, there are 6 screws that hold the frame in place. Gently pry off the frame using a flathead screwdriver. There are plastic clips holding this in. You do not want to take these out by force, so use a gentle prying motion. Just work your way down the side. Across the top, down the other side. Remove your frame. Next, we'll remove 2 small screws on the bottom. We're going to loosen the frame from the top. There is a cable to the black connector here. The black piece lifts up and the cable pops out. Now you can lay your screen down flat. Remove the power connector cable. Remove the VGA cable. There's 2 metal clips on each side that you'll have to squeeze to pull the cable out. Now we need to remove the frame on the side. There is 3 metal screws. They're labeled 1, 2, and 3. These are the tiniest, so be careful you don't lose them. The metal brackets are labeled with a left and a right designator in case you put them on the wrong side. This is our broken screen. We don't need that anymore. Get our new screen out. And we'll start the process in reverse. Put the screen on the keyboard. Put our left and right brackets back on. We'll connect our VGA cable back up. Slide it in. You should hear a click. Connect your power cable connector back in. Again, you should hear a click. Bring your screen back up. Power cable. Rest flat. Push it up. Slide the black connector back down till that clicks in place. Line your screen back up in the little purple holders here. And we'll start back reverse with putting our 2 screws back in here. They go right above the small rolling. There is 2 pins on the top. These are going to fit into these little holes. What I do is I usually just take this flathead screwdriver and lift the plastic up. So that clicks into place. Now we can put our front screen back on. And just snap it in place carefully. Work your way around all the edges. Put our 6 screws back into each of the slots. And then put our rubber bumpers back in place. Put our battery back in. And that's it. We've completed changing our screen.